Good morning, optimists. Today is Thursday, August 8th, 2024, and we're going to jump in and we're going to actually do paper trading today. Still on paper trading for the week. Giving myself a little bit of downtime after last week's volatility and how that affected our accounts. So um, let's go ahead and jump on in. We're going to take a look at the reports first. So just following our rules, jump over first to the reports and see what's on Thursday's agenda. So we've got the beginning of Thursday already baked in. We've got continuing jobless claims at 1.875K, forecast 1.87, and last month 1.869. So slightly up on jobless claims from last month and above the forecast. Initial jobless claims at 233, forecast 240. Coming up, we've got wholesale inventories month over month. We've got EA natural gas at 730, and the 4 and 8 week bill auctions, as well as the 15 and 30-year mortgage rate coming up at 9. The 30-year bond, as well as Fed bargain. We have the Fed balance sheet. Fed balance sheet probably caused some volatility. That's at 130. So a little after the market. So let's go ahead and jump on in. You can see I've already drawn in some support or some resistance lines there. Market looking a little bit green on the day after that jobless claims report spiked the market up some from 5230s up to 5260s, and currently finding some support right now around the 50 moving average. Here we are at 645. Kind of looks like there may be some decline soonish down towards the VWAP, which would be right down here at 5245. Right now, I'm seeing the TTM currently at about 2.8, negative 2.8 actually. I'm gonna make the TTM just a little bit larger there. Okay, so I'm kind of seeing a downward decline. I'm looking at here on the 1 minute chart. So I may look to actually short this. Let's go short right there. All right, we're in short. All right, that was a little 4 ticker, 150 on that. TTM now at negative 3.8. I'm gonna go short again right here. All right, I'm the 150, and might look for a little pop up right there with a drop back down. So looking short to me. Now actually just jump in. All right, another 4 ticker right there. Just been taking 4 tick scalps at 150 a piece. Fills are actually working right now. So that's good. Negative 5.4 on CCM there. I'd be looking for a pullback all the way to here, all the way to about 5250, which is right around here. And jumping again. Missed the fill on that one. Late. Honestly, I think this would be looking for about a total of, I'm guessing like well, that was a $7 move, I guess, right there over that 1 minute. That was actually a pretty large move. Account size started at 300, now is at 302K. Or sorry, started at 200, now at 202. So getting a green dot right there, negative 7 on the TTM. So this may end up being the support level, or potentially a jump back up to the 9 EMA here at 70. With potentially some rejection again for a further move downward. Wait and see. I personally wouldn't want to go long or short here because on the short side, it could see just a rip back up towards the highs on the long side, obviously that would be the way to go. But on the long side, I can easily see this rejecting down further, down to the 200. I'm more bearish on this than I am bullish, but I'm not willing to bet on that just yet. A little bit of a bear flag right there. Negative 7.9 on the TTM. Currently, we're at 650. Looks like we may get a break below 60. I'm going to go short right here. Okay, we're in short, but it's actually pushing back up some. I was looking for that candle to close red. We got a doji at the bottom. I might bail out of that. Yeah, I'm just gonna seek to. So that did fill up 750 on the day. That doji at the bottom sort of makes me a little bit inclined to think that we're gonna reverse. Obviously, on the TTM on the 1 minute side, we're still red. Negative 8.6, 8.8. But getting a red hammer candle followed by a doji at the bottom of this move, to me, that is an indicator of an upward switch here. So I'm actually going to go long on this. Yeah, I missed that entry. Close that out. I'm going to push this up to 12 ticks. And I'm going to look to... Well, missed that whole move. Was really looking to grab that right there for a long move. Try to buy the ass here. All right, we're in long. I'm looking for a 12 tick move. And there's 12 ticks. Wow, trading's on point today. Kind of wish this was in a real account. Up 1,200. Getting a red yellow switch here on the TTM as we move into 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, we've got those reports coming, so I'm expecting some volatility at 7. Let's see. A little bit of a pullback, maybe to 70 would look really good. I don't know if we're going to get that, though. Looks like it's just going to keep on keeping on. That was a $10 rip there, from 68 to 76, so about $8 rip. Pullback here would be nice. Expecting a little more pullback than that. Doesn't look like we're going to get that. A lot of volatility. Tried to go long there. I don't really like the move, so I just cut it, but I'm actually in a trade now, so I'm just gonna sell market. Let's see where it gets me out at. Currently sitting up in the trade. All right, that was 187.50. Little 5 ticker there. Still got this sell on here. Look pretty clean. Up 1,400 on the day. Looking like another rip up. We may break the resistance level there. Oh yeah, especially with that pullback right there, and TTM moving to 2.7, negative 2.7, 9 getting above 12 on, and the 912 crossing above 50. This looks pretty solid for upward momentum. Tried to take an entry, no fill. So it's going for 12 ticks on that. Never filled it. Them's the break sometimes, I guess. Ripping all the way up to 85. What a beautiful trade. Like, what a beautiful pattern. So textbook. Very easy, very smooth. Looking great. Morning, Tiny. Oil is giving you false breaks. Um, Waiting for my trifecta. Oil is sideways. Try the ES. I mean, ES is really good today. Um, Pretty smooth sailing. I debated whether or not to purchase an evaluation this morning, but I didn't, just based off of my life at this particular point in time. I'm like managing a lot of stuff right now, and so I just made the decision not to. But I kind of wish that I had made the decision to buy another evaluation today, because frankly, trading just looked really straightforward. Getting a cyan switch here. This is poised for a really nice breakout, potentially up to about 5,300 as we move into 7 o'clock. Went long here off of 84.50 area. I was looking for 84. I was looking for 85 really. I'm looking for a 12-tick move up to 87. It's a little more pullback than I want to see, but not too bad. Down 300 in this trade. We have a little bit of room to play with, so not too worried about it. I'm looking for a move back up towards 90. Currently break even on the trade. I'm looking for a move back up towards 90 as we approach 7 o'clock. And my basis for this trade here, just so you're aware, is that the TTM just got this cyan switch. You can see this bull flag here. The 9 has gotten above the 12. We had a 9, 12, 26 crossover. The 35 is about to cross above the 26. It's always a really bullish sign. Honestly, I'm tempted to go for more ticks on this, but I sort of have a limit where I go for about 12 on the high end, and those are considered, in my opinion, my larger trades. There is a new minute here as we push towards 8 o'clock. About 15 seconds till this candle closes out. 10 seconds. I meant 7 o'clock, not 8 o'clock. Currently right around break even at this trade. I sort of thought that candle would have been the breakout, but we might get it on this one. Really close. I mean, we've hit like 87, I think is where that last candle topped at. Yeah, it was actually 87.50, so it's one tick away from our sell order. We're tapping 87 over and over again. There may be some resistance at 87. So there's a lot of reason why this should have broken out already. We may see the breakout right at 7 o'clock. We also may see a dump right at 7. So I'm currently up in this trade at the moment, about five ticks or so. I've hit like 7 ticks-ish. Looking for that full breakout. We're just about to end this candle. If the next candle doesn't pop, then there it is. All right, that just seemed like a straightforward enough trade. I'm like, it should have happened a little already, but you know, I don't think it's too bad. Let's see what happens at 7 o'clock. I think we're going to see it rip at 7, and I'm basing that off of the momentum build up here. Now, on the flip of that, just to go against my own argument, my own perspective, I have seen some resistance toward breaking out here. But regardless of whether the report is good or bad, I believe that we're going to see a big buy surge here, maybe up to 295, potentially up to 5,300, and if the report is good, we may see a larger move. But here's 7 o'clock right here. Let's see what happens. So my devil's advocate of myself here is that if the report is bad, or if we've gotten this much extension, that we'll just see a big massive sell off. I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm like 80% on the bull side and 20% bear here. Um, on the bull side, I have every indicator working for me on the bull side. And the one key factor is really that 7 o'clock report. Red hammer candle there after this bull flag. This looks to me like it's got rip potential, maybe at 703. Rip potential meaning up to about 5,300, maybe 5,305. I did say 95, which we just hit. There's 95. Kind of thought it'd move a little faster, but it's going okay. TTM now at 13.8, 13.9-ish, so a little extended. But still, I've seen the extension go much further than that, so I would say this is like the beginning of extension. I'm looking for 5,300 and a rejection off of that. Where are we at now? We're hitting 97.50 on the high at the moment. There's 97, 98. There's 53. At 702. So it's close. It said 703. Where we would hit 5,300. So I was pretty close on it. But could have been a little bit closer, I guess. 1 minute early. Early, in my opinion, is better than late. Personally. All right, so up 1837.50 on the day, and I'll probably, even though I know it's paper. Good morning, Kevin. How are you? I hope you're doing awesome. So up 1837.50 on the day in the paper account. The paper account is currently sitting, and I'll get back to trading and evaluation here very shortly. There's the rip I was looking for, 5,305. Paper account is currently up $4,791 on the 2 days that we traded it. Out of 200, now we're at 204.7910. So doing pretty well there. And I'd be looking for some rejection here, even though everything looks bullish right now. Everything looks very bullish. Let's check in on that report that dropped at 7 o'clock. So it was wholesale inventories month over month. Actuals was 0.2, matches forecast and prior. So no real big movement on that. Pretty much identical to exactly what was being forecast. So all good on that. You just got 6 ticks? Nice. Need to wait longer before entering. Yeah, totally understand. All right. Well, with that, I'm probably gonna walk away with my profits there. Again, even though it's paper, try to treat it just like it's my real account. There's that move 5,305 that I talked about, and yeah, I'm not sure how many trades we took. Oh, we took 7 trades because 21. So three contracts, 7 trades. So, very, very clean chart movement today. It was pretty evident that this was going to drop here. Pretty evident that that was going to be support, especially after that doji, and pretty evident that this was going to rip on the red-yellow here. So real clean, and pretty pleased with my trading too. I got good entries. Trade plans were solid. Everything was very clean and straightforward, so I really appreciated that. All right, I'm going to jump off here, take these profits, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I might be back in an evaluation tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Friday. I think we're going to see some unclean movement tomorrow. So, and in fact, actually, I want to take a look at tomorrow's reports here. So I'm going to jump over here. Uh, Friday, we just have oil tomorrow. So we just have two reports coming out at 10 o'clock. Baker Hughes, oil rig, and total rig tomorrow. So minimal reports tomorrow. So I'm expecting some choppiness. I'd also be expecting a lot of volatility just in price movement up and down. So that's what I'd be looking for tomorrow, I believe. As far as today is concerned, next big report is going to be natural gas at 7:30, and then the treasuries at 8:30. So those are never really that big, but they do impact stuff. I think that the mortgage rate, though, the 15 and 30-year mortgage rate, these are going to make some a little bit of wave here. So uh, look for some volatility around 9 o'clock. So. All right, y'all. Thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow around 6:45. All right, much love and appreciation, Optimus. Jump on into the Discord community. Link in the description. On top of that, Apex is currently running 80% off deal right now. There's a link in the description for that, as well as Elite Trader Funding. They personally are one of my favorites in terms of how they take care of their customers. I really like the way that they treat their customers, and currently looks like they got a sale running right now as well. So they got 50K evaluations that are about $65 off right now. And yeah, so they're running a sale at this moment as well. Link in the description for that, guys. And save some money, pick yourself up an account here over at Elite. So, all right, y'all. I love you, appreciate you, and I'll be back tomorrow. I might have another evaluation. All right, peace.